If you just got your dbrand grip for the iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or iPhone Air, relax. This is going to be easy. Note that your grip comes with 3 elements: a case, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a skin. Let's get started. First, use the included microfiber cloth to clean your device. Installation is easy. Insert your device into the left side of the case. Then press down on the right 2 corners, one by one. To remove the grip, simply push back on the bottom 2 corners, one by one. Then pull your device out of the case. If you aren't using a skin, you're done. For instructions on how to customize your grip case, keep watching. Before getting started, let's take a closer look at the case. First thing to note is the raised portion around the camera. We'll be applying the skin to this area first. Second is the ridge around the entire back of the case. This ridge will help keep the skin straight. To get started, remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach exactly as shown. Align the exposed portion of the skin around the camera, flash, and LiDAR cutouts. It's important to align the edges of the skin directly against the ridge of the case. If you leave a gap, the opposite side of the skin will have an overlap. Once everything is lined up perfectly, apply pressure to the exposed portion. Next, rotate the paper, reattach as shown, and turn the phone upside down. Apply the bottom 2 corners of the skin using the raised lip around the back of the case as your guide. Once lined up, apply pressure to smooth it out. Now, we're going to form the skin around the sloped surface that connects the raised camera bump to the rest of the case. Remove the 3M paper. Then apply pressure from the center outwards to form the skin around the curve. Finally, apply one more round of pressure to smooth out the back surface of the case. Keep in mind that the skin can be replaced with a new one at any time. Removal is easy. Just peel it up from any corner and pull it off. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.